Hello friends, welcome to SATI Learning, Unlock Possibilities. Today session is on Node.js tutorial for business. So today agenda is we will see how to install Node.js server in our local desktop, and we will go through few lessons and understand the basic programming of Node.js. Let's go to the lab. So let's open the Chrome and search for the Node.js installation. Install for Windows. So we have two versions available. One is LTS, another one is current. So this is the version mostly recommended for most users. So we have three flavors: Windows installer, Mac OS installer, and the source code. So we can go to the Windows installer. So it will detect the OS version and it will download the appropriate installables. So I am using 64-bit OS Windows 10. So this is the one. So we can double click the installer. So I am already installed the Node.js. I will not click on the install button, but I will go through the steps and I will tell you like how to install the OS. So here like change, repair or remove installation. So yes, I have already installed. It's asking me do you want me to change or repair or remove. So you can click on install option. You will get the installation option. You will click next and install. So I am clicking the cancel button. So we will go to the command prompt and we will type for node. So we can see that like Node.js is installed successfully. Now I will open command prompt. So when we are installing the Node.js, it will set all the path variables into the OS actually. So we don't need to do any additional configuration after the installation. Just we need to install the package. So now we go to the lab. So first point is like we will check how to find the Node.js version and check whether it's installed successfully or not. So I have installed 12.18.3 version. So it's working fine. It's recognizing the node command. So I'm moving to the D directory. So I have created one folder for Node.js. So I have all the files here. So first we will write hello world in the console. This is the first lab for us. So we can use Eclipse or Notepad or any .NET editor for writing the Node.js, and so we can import the library in Eclipse and we can create a Node.js project itself. So this is the Node hello world .js. So the extension should be in .js. So I am giving console.log. So I am writing hello world. So I will change this text SATI meaning hello world. So we can give semicolon also here. So this is the command line program console.log. So we will type node JS See, we are getting the log sati learning hello world. So the next program is finding the IP address of the local host. So I have written node.js ip.js. So this is the program. So I am declaring the variable address, and I require the OS details, and from the OS I'm trying to get the network interfaces, and I will iterate over the interface, and I will iterate till I will get the IP address. So when the IP address length is greater than 0, and I am assigning this to the address variable, and I am printing the result. So console.log server running at IP address, and I am passing the IP address variable in Node.js actually. So this is very simple one. So if we have an idea about the basic programming language, so then we can easily learn this. And if we have we need to learn JavaScript also. So this is the JavaScript is the prerequisites for Node.js. So let's run this program. So I will clear the screen. Node.js. So server is running at IP address. This is the IP address I am getting this. So we can use this IP address, or we can use localhost when we are launching the application in Node.js server. So this is completed. This is completed. So first we will run our Node.js program in browser. So I have created main.js. So we can have any naming convention. So I am declaring a variable HTTP, and I request for HTTP. So HTTP dot create server. So I'm having the function. So request and response. So we will have the request and response in JSP and JavaScript and servlet. The same request and response we are getting this. So I will send the HTTP header. So I'm setting the HTTP status 200. So and the content type is text/plain. So and I will send the response body as sati learning Node.js. So if you see here, here we are having response dot end actually. Okay, and this is the log. So this log will come in the console. Okay, so this is the response dot end will appear in the browser. So I am listening this port 8082. So we can configure any port. So suppose if you are install Tomcat and Apache or some other server in our local machine, so it should not clash with that actually. So we should have the unique server. So here I am changing this to localhost. Node main.js. So now his server is running at localhost is 8082. So let's run this program in our browser. So we got the output static learning Node.js. So now we will try to change the set text. Welcome static learning Node.js. Now we will try to refresh the page. So because the page will not refresh because the server is already started and it's the server is running here. So like if you want to get the change reflected, then we need to restart the server again. So I'm restarting the server. So now I will refresh the page. So now the change is reflected. So this is the simple program for how to run the Node.js server in web browser. So instead of the local host, we can give the IP address also. So now I will open new command prompt. So there is some error, so let's resolve the problem. So we got the IP address. So now let's run this main.js. So let's try to give the IP address. .8081. I think 8082. So welcome static learning Node.js. So here I have given the local host. Here I have given the port number. Thanks for watching the video. So in the next upcoming lesson, I will create the video for how to do a read, write and delete of file input and output operations. And so I will create another video for how to create a table, insert a table and modify the table and delete the records. So using the Node.js with the MySQL database. So please wait for upcoming videos and please subscribe our channel and share with your friends. Thanks for watching the video.